In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass email on Salesforce. First, go to Salesforce and sign into your Lightning workspace. Give the page a second to load fully so all your navigation options appear. We'll work from the standard interface, so everything should look familiar if you're using Lightning Experience. Next, click on Contacts. This takes you to the Contacts home where you can work with lists of people. Mass emailing in Salesforce is typically done from a list view. So make sure you're looking at the set of contacts you want to reach. If you have a saved list view that filters the right audience, like active customers or new leads, switch to that now. Keeping your list clean and permission-based is important to maintain deliverability and comply with your organization's policies. From here, click on Send Email. In many orgs, this appears as Send List Email on the toolbar. This opens the email composer that's designed for sending to multiple recipients at once. If the button isn't visible, check your profile permissions or verify that list email is enabled by your admin. When the composer prompts you, click Select and Continue. This step confirms the recipients and the context for your message. If you see the same prompt again, click Select and Continue once more to proceed. Depending on your setup, Salesforce may confirm your selection and move you into the content screen. Now, enter a subject. Keep it clear and specific so recipients instantly understand the purpose. Short, action-oriented subjects tend to perform well. Avoid excessive punctuation or spammy phrasing, and make sure it reflects the body of your message. If your organization uses templates, your subject may be pre-filled. Still, give it a quick polish for relevance. Next, click Save and Continue. This preserves your work and advances you to the final checks. Saving helps prevent losing changes if you navigate away or if your session times out. Before sending, click Preview and Send. Use the preview to confirm your recipients look correct, the subject is accurate, and any merge fields, if present, are rendering properly. Check for broken links, typos, and branding consistency. If your org enforces daily send limits or unsubscribe requirements, you'll see related notices here. Be sure you're within limits and only emailing opted-in contacts. When everything looks good, confirm the send from the preview screen. That's it. You've sent a mass email in Salesforce. As a best practice, monitor engagement afterward using the activity timeline and any available email metrics. If you plan to send regularly, consider saving your list view and message content so you can repeat this workflow quickly and consistently.